Hi Team Fullest, this is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the of my canal. So I have another unboxing. Now we are in 2022. I am going to be leaving all the links of the hair that I unbox on this channel, okay? I'm going to be leaving all the links because some of you guys really came for me like, you're posting the wig and you're not leaving the links. What is wrong with you? So I'm going to be leaving the link. So please check the description box. I will leave the link for you guys. So please don't come for me. It's 2022. Give me a chance. Can you guys give me a chance? Like I'm a work in progress. I'm changing. I've changed. I'm gonna be leaving all the links. So today I'm here to do another hair unboxing for you guys. So this is the name of the company. Yes, I got this hair actually on AliExpress. It's like a burgundy red kind of hair but curly. What do you guys think of this hair? I think I did unboxing this hair a while ago, but I barely wear it. So it's like this is the second or third time that I'm wearing this hair now. Like I have so much wig lying down and I don't always wear them, but you know, I'm just like, I'm feeling the burgundy, the reddish kind of thing. So let's try something. So yeah, this is the hair that I picked up. I have all the information here on my phone. So let me log into my AliExpress account so I can be showing you. The other thing is that I don't like the packaging of this wig. Like it has nothing in it, just the box and the hair. It has nothing, not a hair cap, not any accessories. So it's kind of boring. It's like, for this price, like, come on, couldn't you add like a hair cap or something in it? It's like, what is going on? So this is what the box look like. As you guys can see, that's the name of the hair. You can find them on Instagram as well. You can find them on Instagram, on Facebook, but this video is not sponsored. I purchased this here myself. So like I said, when you open, this is all you get. Like all you get. Even the density of the hair is not even written on the box, on the thing, because I don't know what language. I think this is Chinese, but I cannot read it. So I have to go back to the hair. This hair is 250 density and it's 8 inches long. You guys know I have this black wig that I bought. Like it's a very short bob wig and I really liked it. So I wanted something like that in red. So that is what I was going for when I purchased this hair. And I purchased this hair for 113 euros and 77 cents. Okay, so this is what the hair look like. It's a reddish burgundy, like a wine color red. It's really beautiful. It's curly wig. You guys know I love curly wigs. Like curly wigs just look so damn good on me. I don't know, but they look good on me. Okay, so this is what the wig look like. It's very beautiful. I love it's a 13 by 4 lace, so it has like a lot of lace at the front. But first I want to give you guys the curls. The curls is so beautiful. I can't wait. So stay tuned. I'm going to be coming here and show you guys how I install this wig. Even though I'm not an expert when it comes to wig installment, I just do what works for me. Okay, but I'm gonna come here and show you guys how I install this wig. Maybe I'm gonna do like a live video showing you guys how I install this, because this is gonna take a lot of time. So yeah, this is really nice. So this is 250 density. Let me turn the wig inside so you guys can see the inside. Just that the cap is a little bit light. I wish you would have used those brown cap, but it's okay. So you have 4 combs. You have 1 comb at the back. You have one here, and then one in the middle. And it has also adjustable elastic, so you can adjust it. It has a little bit of lace at the back, which you can just cut the lace easily. And then the center, so here you have like you have like a lot of space. Like you have a lot of space to actually part the hair the way you want it. You guys can see you have a lot of space and it's really nice. I love it. I love the I love the color. You guys know I'm not really a colorful person. I'm not really when it comes to wig. I don't know, I'm not really into colors, but I've been trying to get out of my comfort zone and just try different things. I'm like, let's try different things. We go in a new year, we want to try different things. I also pick up another wig. I think that one is downstairs or somewhere. I'm going to come and do unboxing on that one as well. But that one is also colorful. It's also like a brown black with it's a curly wig as well. So I love curly wigs. Curly wigs look really nice on me. So that's the reason why I've been going out and purchase more curly wig instead of all the straight wig. This one also have a little bit of texture, a little bit of curl in it, and I just love this. I love this one. So this is what this one looked like. It's really beautiful. If you guys have ever purchased hair from this company, please let me know in the comment box. Let me know in the comment box. All the wigs that I've been actually purchasing on AliExpress, sometimes people will be like, okay, how does the wig look? I'm not like an excess wig wearer. I'm not somebody that wear wig all the time. So even this one that I'm having, I've purchased this now like years ago. I think 2 years now ago, 3 years. As you guys can see, this is like the second time, or this is like the third time or the second time me put it on. And because I don't wear it a lot and I don't manipulate my wigs a lot, so for me, I don't really experience a lot of shedding. Of course, when you comb your hair, of course, 1 or 2 strands does come out, but I've never really purchased any wig on AliExpress. Maybe, but the ones that I've been purchasing now, maybe back then, but the ones that I've been purchasing now, like the really nice ones, the expensive one, I haven't really had any issue with shedding or like like shedding. Maybe that's also because I don't wear it all the time, and I don't go in with too much styling or do stuff with the hair. I just fix it like this and I just leave it like this, and I don't mind the hair having a little bit of texture because I just love texture wig. I don't really like straighten it flat. So I haven't really have like a bad experience with the wigs that I have been using. So like I said, if you guys want to see most of the wigs that I come here and do unboxing on, if you guys want to see how those wigs looks on me, follow me on my beauty channel, which is AMIFULLEST Beauty. I will leave the link for you guys in the comment box. Subscribe to my beauty channel. That channel is where mostly I'll come and do makeup tutorials, and I'll wear the wig that I have unboxed on this video, so you can see how those wigs look on me on my beauty channel if you want to see how it looks on me. I don't wear wig all the time. I try not to switch it. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. Like today I wanted to do something different. I thought, okay, let me wear a wig. So this is what this one looked like. It really nice. I can't wait to try it. It's something colorful. It's out of my comfort zone. Let's try. Ooh, looks vibrant, man. Ooh, this is so bright. Ooh, like what? This is so bright. It's so beautiful, but this is out of my comfort zone. I'm going out of my comfort zone to actually wear all of this beautiful color wig. Like, this is beautiful. So TeamFullest, this is just a quick unboxing. I will leave the link of the wig in the description box, the first link in the description box. Please check it out. Don't come for me. Please check the description box. I will leave the link there for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have personal questions you want to ask me, my WhatsApp number is also in the description box. WhatsApp me, let's chat. Okay, TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. And yeah, it's so beautiful. 250 density. It's so thick. The curls, I feel like they double the track, because that is why the wig is so curly. It's so thick, like they double the track. You see, it's like it's double. It's so full. It's double. Yeah, okay, but it's nice. I really love it. So TeamFullest, heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat me weten in de commentbox of stuur mij een WhatsApp bericht. En dan hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk. Dus vergeet niet te abonneren. Geef deze video duim omhoog als je deze video leuk vindt. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. TeamFullest. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.